Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your Pinterest profile public. It's a straightforward process that will help you connect with a broader audience, share your ideas, and discover new inspirations. So, let's dive right in. First, open the Pinterest app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into the account you wish to make public. This is crucial to ensure you're adjusting the correct profile. Next, look for the saved icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and tap it. This will take you to your profile page. Once you're there, find and tap on your profile icon, usually located at the top left corner. This action opens up your account settings, where you can adjust various options related to your Pinterest experience. Now, you should see a button called Profile Visibility. Tap on this button to proceed. Here, you'll find the option to control who can see your profile, pins, and boards. If your profile is currently set to private, only people you approve can view your content. To make your account public, disable the private account option. By disabling this, anyone on Pinterest can view your profile, pins, and boards. This is a significant step in expanding your reach and connecting with like-minded individuals. Additionally, ensure that the search privacy option is also disabled. This setting hides your Pinterest account from search engines like Google. You'll want to disable this feature so people can find your profile when they search for your username or related information on Google. Disabling it ensures that your profile appears in search results, further enhancing your visibility. By making these adjustments, your Pinterest account is now public. Anyone can explore your pins, discover your boards, and connect with you based on shared interests. This opens up opportunities for collaboration, inspiration, and community engagement. Making your Pinterest account public is a simple yet effective way to maximize your presence on the platform. It allows you to showcase your creativity, connect with a wider audience, and discover new ideas. So go ahead, follow these steps, and start sharing your Pinterest world with everyone.